If you want to sign into CapCut with an email or a Google account, this tutorial will walk you through the quickest way to get logged in on your PC. This is a simple process, but if you're new to CapCut or you're setting up a fresh account, I'll show you exactly what to click so you can get started without any confusion. And if this helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your PC. Once it loads, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. This is where CapCut lets you connect your account so you can access your projects, sync your work, and keep everything linked across devices. After you click Sign In, you'll see a few login options appear. Since we're signing in with Google, click Sign In with Google. This will open the Google Authorization window and take you to the account selection page. Next, choose the Google account you want to use with CapCut. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts, just select the one you want associated with your CapCut profile. After that, review the permission request carefully and confirm the authorization. This step allows CapCut to connect to your Google account so the login can be completed successfully. Once you confirm, CapCut will finish signing you in automatically. And that's it. You're now signed into CapCut with your Google account. If you were trying to use an email login instead, the process may vary slightly depending on your version of CapCut, but the main idea is always the same. Open the app, find the sign-in option, and complete the account authorization. Now you're ready to start editing, save your work, and access your projects more easily. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.